What's up, guys? We're here in Elite. We're doing the $100 giveaway, group rate credit giveaway for the Black Diamond case. It's 520. Oh, let's go to the actual clock. 520. We got Eric, Travis, Alex, Travis. Oh my God, dyslexia kick in right now. Eric, Travis, Alex, Marty, Keith, Jeremy, and Adam. Look at that. We're going to go 3 times. Top person after 3, you win the $100. 1, 2. Keith on top after 2. It's all right. He had a solid break. Do a little timestamp right there. 521. 521. Third and final time. Good luck, guys. Keith! Welcome back, man. With the $100 group break. What's happening here? Group break credit. 521. 521. Congrats, Keith.